Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce with heavy whipping cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need heavy whipping cream, fresh Parmesan cheese, unsalted butter, and garlic. This classic Italian-American sauce is surprisingly easy to prepare and delivers a wonderfully rich, creamy texture perfect for pasta or as a versatile topping for various dishes. Let's get started on this delicious journey. For our creamy Alfredo, you'll need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which is the star for that velvety consistency. Grab about 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Avoid pre-shredded for the best melt. Also, have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 cloves of minced garlic ready. These simple components combine to create an incredibly flavorful sauce that's far superior to store-bought versions. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but don't let it brown. Next, slowly whisk in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, ensuring it doesn't boil vigorously, as this can cause it to separate. Keep stirring gently. Once your cream mixture is simmering, remove it from the heat and gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Continue stirring until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is smooth and thick. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve immediately over your favorite pasta, like fettuccine, or use it as a sauce for chicken or vegetables. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.